how to create a booklet on Google Docs. So let's get started. So with a booklet, all you have to do is just click on this or come over to this docs.google.com official website, which will open up a Google Docs, and you can simply open a blank document over here. Now just click on this file button over here at the top left corner, and now what you need to do is just scroll down and click on this page setup button over here. And once you click on it, now next thing what you need to do is, so make sure to give this top to into 0.5, and for bottom as well to 0.5, and for left to 0.5 as well as to right to 0.5. So once you do all of that, just click on OK. And next thing what you need to do next is just click on this format button at the top and simply scroll or click navigate to columns and just select more option over here. And once you do that, just make sure you have set this number of columns to 2 from 1. Don't forget to check this and simply click on apply, and just like that. Another thing what you want to do is just come over to insert button over here and simply scroll to the break option over here, which you also see over here, and from over here just click on this column break, and just like that you have successfully created a booklet on Google Docs. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.